Yo, what's going on, guys? So I hit the wall pretty hard at the last event. I don't know, I was washing wide, really wide the whole day, and kept getting closer and closer and closer to the wall, which is my goal. But the last time it just came in too hot and it couldn't hook up, and it hit the wall. So I got some footage of that I'll show you guys. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Yeah, it sucks, but it's alright, because I'm going to break down the car and get it fixed and rebuild it, and should be some cool things in the future. I'm kind of glad it happened, because I'm looking forward to really breaking down the car this time and just building it right. That's the goal anyways. I'm gonna start breaking down this engine and pulling it out. We're gonna get it, so stay tuned for this build series. So thanks for watching. I was just going through everything trying to pull the engine, and I noticed this. Come on, focus. That is the engine mount fully off. Like, there's no nut, it's just sitting on the engine mount. Holy shit. That's crazy. Wow. Man, that is some crazy stuff. Alright, so quick little update. I got the radiator out, I got the intercooler off. I'm draining the power steering fluid right now. I drained the oil and I drained the transmission fluid. So we're getting there. Most of the harness is unplugged at this point. I gotta disconnect the fuel lines, do the heater core hoses, which you can't see, but they're back there. Disconnect those, a couple other little things, and then I can disconnect the one motor mount, which is down here. But this one that you already saw, it's already disconnected, so that's freaking cool. Luckily it did no damage, but that is crazy. I really don't think it happened when I hit the wall. I think it just backed off or something. So crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to work. Now it's a matter of making sure everything's actually disconnected and clearing the steering column. I'm most likely gonna have to disconnect that downpipe. I was trying to get away with doing it without it, but we're gonna see. good, so I'm gonna keep cranking. Alright, I'm gonna get in here now that I have a little more space and try to take this downpipe off. And I think we should be in the clear. Okay, so pretty much got it all the way out and everything's cleared, so I'm just gonna keep jacking it up and hopefully get it out of here. Hopefully be able to film it too. Just gonna try to give it a little pull. Alright, we're clear. We are clear and disconnected from everything. Cool. Give it a little more. See if I can clear this course before. I've never been able to clear a course before. You always gotta have someone lift the back end, but maybe. Maybe. Let's see if we can keep going up. Oh, look at that. I think we're gonna clear. Oh, that's it. It's maxed out. All right. Let's go this way. So I don't want to hit the headlights. Okay, straight back. Oh. Scooting on us. That way. Sweet. SR is officially out. It's been a good engine. So, engine bay is clear. Sweet. Alright. Check out this frame. It's really not too bad. You can see right here is where it like starts to kink a little bit, but that's kind of actually how it is on this side, so it's not too bad. So I imagine the strut tower is not crazy out of whack, and it only starts about right here. Back here looks straight, and it's really, it's more just kind of kinked like that, like pushed in and kinked like that just a little bit. So, yeah, I imagine it's not going to be too much to pull this out. Just like pulling from that corner straight out, and it probably just bend it right back. So now I got to clean up this engine bay, start getting it ready just to bring it to the collision shop, have them pull it out, and then I'll start, once it's back, once I get the rear end pulled out too, I'll start cutting stuff and doing tube frame stuff. So I'm sure there's people out there like, oh, don't do that, don't cut it up. It's what I want to do, and to me this is a race car. It's not ever going to be a street car. It never was intended to be a street car. I just used it as a street car because it was all I had at first, and then as soon as I could get another car, this hasn't been on the road, so I want to just take it to that next level. And so yeah, make it more crashable, you know. But I found this bar. This is actually like a top hoop for one of those pre-bent roll cages that we didn't end up using on another car. And I was wondering if I could possibly use this, maybe cut it a little shorter. Can't really show you, but yeah, I plan on doing, probably not use this because it's too wide, because I want to keep it kind of inside here and do a little U piece like that, then one on top, put a fuel cell, battery, and then just do a bolt-on bash bar all the way around, and remove all this stuff. And yeah, it'll be cool. There's gonna be people out there that are like fully supportive of race car stuff, and then there's gonna be people out there just to like keep drifting fun kind of people, and they're against stuff like this. So I mean, if you have a negative opinion about it, I'm sorry, but it's like, yeah, it's what I'm doing. So anyways, oh, and also I'm selling my SR. I'm trying to sell it, and I'm going to use the money to put that towards a 1JZ. So I'm selling my SR, full turnkey swap, everything you need. Radiator, intercooler, tuned ECU, wiring harness, you know, the whole thing. It got cams, it got big injectors. Well, they're 550cc injectors, so they're not huge injectors, but it has injectors. External wastegate, T28 turbo, transmission, drive shaft, downpipe, what's left of my exhaust. So yeah, the whole swap. If you're interested in it, DM me on Instagram. It's JDemario. That will be in the description, and I'll even be willing to ship it if you want it shipped. You just have to pay for the shipping fees and or the freight fees. So yeah, let me know. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like button. That'd be cool. Got the SR out today. Gonna get this to the collision shop, and yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.